Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Tutor. Today in this video, I'm going to show on how to download and install Grok AI on your mobile phone. So let's get started. First, open your Google Play Store on your mobile device. Now, search Grok AI. Here, look for install button, then tap it. When it's done from installing, check your mobile device if the Grok AI was installed. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please do follow, like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorial videos.